go to your nearest wall. Put your mat, or if you're in the carpet, doesn't matter, so you are nice and warm, yeah? And remember to go to the wall. We try to go with your bum first, yeah? We put so it doesn't go cold. So we go with the bum really close to the wall, yeah? And then check, we go with the legs up. Nice and close, yeah? And we will stretch the legs there. So your body is nice and open. Your arms are open. The back of the neck the back of the neck is nice and long, yeah? And we relax your back, your hips there, softening your legs so the legs are comfortable, yeah? This is a beautiful position for lower back, for hips. The legs are having a beautiful flow in circulation, yeah? We are inverting the gravity force, yeah? So the gravity force now is helping us to release the fluids that are trapped normally on the feet, yeah? So the body doesn't need to do an effort to bring the fluids back, yeah? So enjoy that position. Soften, keep imagining now you have like a double support. You have the support of the floor, the planet, the roots, plus the support of the wall. And it's a beautiful stretch for your legs, for your lower back. And also your back is flattening here, so it's stretching in a really soft way your spine. Relaxing. Now we will put the feet together, the sole of your feet, the same position that we did with the bolster, and we will open the knees. So the feet are on the wall. We open the knees, we let the feet fall, and we relax there. So we are not forcing the inner thighs, yeah? We are relaxing. We soften. This position is beautiful for the lower back and the hips. And you can expand your spine. So bring your chin a little bit more forward and lengthen, because you can expand more here. And just stay there, enjoying the position, not forcing. Just relaxing, taking all the nourishment that you need. Yeah, imagine this gesture is a really open gesture to receive. So you are receiving energy, loving energy, nourishment. You are receiving that release. And just enjoy relaxing there. And then slowly we will stretch the legs up again. You will feel like a nice flow of circulation and energy on your legs. And from there, nice and sweet, we will bend the legs and we go again, rolling to the side, taking your time. And from there, we will go to lying down on your back, yeah? So, in this position, again, just for a moment, we will have a block or a pillow, and we will open the front of your hips, yeah, because we did a lot of like a forward bends on the hips, yeah. So with the block or your cushions, we will go to bend the legs, Yeah, so nice and grounding. And we will put the block or the cushion beneath your bum, beneath your hips there. Yeah, and we soften. Yeah, relax your hips on that block or cushion, and just relax. Yeah, soften. Again, allow yourself to surrender into the floor with your shoulder blades, bringing the chin toward the chest, and relaxing your hips into that support of the block or the cushions. Imagine that support is not only support for your physical body, it's a beautiful support again for your emotional body, for your whole self. Yeah? And you keep releasing, and still is an open position that you are energizing, you are nourishing yourself. And imagine again receiving loving energy, protective energy, caring energy. Imagine the lights that we were working on, pink light, green light. The orange light for your emotional body. Then slowly we will take the block from beneath or the cushion. We put the lower back on the floor. Relax for a moment the lower back, lengthening the spine. Stay for a moment there. Sometimes when we do this pose, when we have support beneath your hips, when you release it, you could feel like a cold sensation or a hot sensation on that area. That's normal. That's the stretching, the opening that we are creating, the relaxation on the muscles is allowing the nerve system to expand a little bit. Yeah, so that's the sensation that we feel. Now we bring the knees to the belly to the chest. We relax. And we soften a little bit to one side. Yeah, a nice comfy position. We can, if we need, remember we can put a block between the knees or beneath or both to allow the shoulder blades to feel comfortable on both sides. Keep that sensation that you are receiving beautiful, loving energy, caring energy, surrounding you, protecting you. And then slowly we go to the other side, taking your time, softening, relaxing both shoulder blades, your back, your lower back, your belly. Twists are beautiful too, like we are squeezing softly from the spine all the tension and the stress that we carry there. Yeah? So imagine that we are softly squeezing the tension out to free our spine and ourselves from all the stress. And then coming back to the center, and we will go to Shavasana. So we can do Shavasana flat, or you can put again your bolster beneath your knees. Yeah, show you here, or your pillows to make it more easy for your lower back. Yeah, if you have lower back pain, normally use this position. Yes, you put your bolster or your pillows beneath your knees, so that makes your lower back feel more comfortable. Yeah, if not flat, and you stay there and imagine again, visualize all the support from the roots. Yeah, and the energy around you, that loving energy. And also imagine now, like we always do when we are in the studio, that you will receive another flow of energy that will give you more relaxation, more peace, more comfort. This energy is coming from me now, so imagine that I send you this energy directly into your house, into your home, into closing into your feet, so with your permission, so imagine I'm sending that energy there, and imagine that energy combining with the loving energy that is surrounding you. It's entering now into your heels, into the sole of your feet, moving up to your toes, and then to the top of your feet, your ankles, your lower legs, your knees, your thighs, your hips, your lower back, middle back, upper back, your whole spine, and then your shoulders. Imagine that energy moving through your arms, toward your hands, your fingers, and then going up through your wrists, elbows, shoulders, the back of your neck, the back of your head, the crown of your head, your face, your neck, your chest, your belly. And allow your body to surrender completely to the floor. And going deeply inside now, and relax, relax, relax. Slowly allow your awareness to get back to your body and start to bring some movements to your hands, to your feet, moving your fingers, your toes, moving your head side to side, and bringing your arms back and lengthen and stretch. And from there we go to one side, bending your knees, and then slowly to a sitting position, crossing your legs and breathing deeply. Now give a big thanks to yourself for taking the time to come to this class or to do this class this evening, and I thank you for sharing your time and your practice with me.